world coming to
girls with guitars,
mothers tell the world about
girls with guitars. Well, Saturday night she followed her brother, hid my socks and stockings on the old gym floor. Well, everybody thinks two garage bands